Are you frustrated because your smart TV doesn't have the Google Play Store? Tired of being stuck with only a handful of apps? Well, that's about to change. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to access the Google Play Store features on your smart TV. Yes, you heard that correctly. And once everything is set up, you will be able to explore thousands of apps, including options that were never available on your TV before. Streaming services, games, entertainment apps, whatever you are looking for. No routing, no advanced tools, just an easy workaround that works on most smart TVs. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll also guide you on how to safely install APK files and get the most out of your TV. Let's begin. First, you will need an app called Downloader. Honestly, this app is a game changer. If you are not sure how to install it, I have added a helpful link in the video description for you. Next, open the Downloader app and type the required URL into the search bar. Then press Go. It will connect to the website and begin downloading right away. After the download finishes, select Install. This will set everything up for you. Don't launch it immediately. Instead, go back and remove the downloaded file since you won't need it anymore. Now head over to your app section and find the Play Store. You can even move it to your home screen so it's easier to access anytime. And that's it. This is how you can get Play Store functionality on your smart TV and install third-party apps using the Downloader app. If you have any questions, drop them in comments below. Thanks for watching.